around 1.6, right? Right? Then put s is equal to minus 6. Here it will be 3. Yes, gone. A should be minus what? 4? 5. So A will be equal to minus 3 over 5 is minus 0.6. So you see, now I have my inverse Laplace here. So I will get inverse Laplace of A over 1.6 over s plus 6 plus inverse Laplace of 0.6 over s plus 1. S plus 1. And what are the inverse Laplaces of these? I come to this board and I say xt is equal to 1.6 inverse Laplace over s plus 6. It will be e power minus 1.6. Alright? E power, sorry, t.
Minus 6t.
Huh?
Minus 6t.
Minus 60. And what the other one will be?
0.6 plus 0.6.
Plus 0.6 e power
minus t.
Minus t. And that's your answer. So please try to solve it. बेटा मैं क्लास में हूँ पढ़ा रहा हूँ. वो आपको आएगा ना उसका. You should have received the invitation from Anchor when you registered. But they sent you, when you registered the conference, people will send you basically a link that you have been registered. Otherwise you should go on their webpage.
Yeah, I think that's
And access the conference with your email.
Oh, I have my variables.
Password
Because I have A,
नहीं था तो उसे भेज रहा था भूल गया वो उसको भी आपको
Oh, yeah.
immediately.
Wait, but shouldn't that be... Because this will be 1.6 with x, e to the negative t. So you got 0.6, you got the... They probably did it. Yeah.
Are A and B swapped for your X?
Oh, yeah.
A and B are swapped? No, we should not. A over x plus 6 and A is, what A value I got? 0.6. Then you should put 0.6. Negative 0.6. So it should be negative 0.6 and this should be
1.6?
1.6. No, you don't swap anything. Okay? Now, if you understand this question, very carefully listen, that this question gives you really insight on how to use, it gives you an insight how you use basically Laplace and inverse Laplace to solve model equations which we get in vibration. Right? It's very clearly done for you. You write the equation, model equation, you make sure you write them in terms of function of time. You use those three equations which I wrote here when you take the Laplace of these things. Apply initial conditions, given Fs, simplify it, Xs common, then you get your this main equation. From here you can get your transfer function, one thing. Where we use transfer function, I'll tell you later. But now we solve it. So what you solve it, you for Xs is Fs over, from here, Fs over ms square plus Cs plus k, and then Xs is equal to s plus 9 over s square plus 7x plus 6. By assuming that Fs is given, m, c, k are given, Then you take inverse Laplace of both sides, you do partial fraction, and you put it back, and bring the back, when you take inverse Laplace, you bring it back into time and rate. So this is how you will solve your model equations, which will appear in control. Okay. Now, this is your in-class assignment. We should start now, and you should do it. You should do it at home as well. Change those conditions. Change those conditions. Very important. Now change those conditions to x dot 0 equal 2 and x0 equal 1. Now you cannot ignore those. Now you cannot ignore these. These terms will not vanish anymore. They have values. But now you manipulate your mathematical, equations and find out the transfer function and find out the final x. Do it till midnight today. I'll give you a couple of hours to do it because you are going to other classes as well. It will take some time.
That homework assignment you gave us the other day, that wasn't due yesterday. That homework assignment you gave us the other day, that wasn't due at midnight of that day, right? It's coming Sunday, right?
Well, that I don't remember what I gave because I have to go back to my canvas. Yeah, so this is a in-class assignment for today. It should be submitted by midnight tonight. I will open up in a minute. You have one whole day to solve it. But you must solve it because then you will know how to do partial fractions, how to do and how to find out basically the roots of this equation and solve them. I myself did not do it, I just gave it for students to do it. Yeah, I didn't write anything, I just say repeat it. But people did last time, so it is doable. So try to solve it, but when you submit your solution, submit everything. Don't submit one line. Start from here, write this, write this, write this, write this, write this, simplify it, write this, take excess common, write this, find transfer function, then write this, then write this, then take inverse, and then go there, solve it, bring it back, take inverse Laplace. Do the full question, don't give me half page or 2 lines.
Are we assuming those same numbers?
Same numbers for M, C, K, and Fs. Yes. Yes, good question. Yes.
What's what you were looking for here? Function? This is what you were looking for here?
Oh yeah, there is a function here. Yes. It's a theorem, but
From math.
yeah, from maths. Yes, that's the function. So if you put n is equal to 2, you will get what I got. If you put n is equal to 1, you will get what I got. If you put n is equal to 0,